What if one species could save the planet? Welcome to Planet Healers. In episode 3, we'll explore why every species counts in the symphony of biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life, genes, species, ecosystems. It's the humming forest, the colorful reef, the buzzing meadow. It's not just pretty, it's essential. Biodiversity makes ecosystems resilient, helping them bounce back from floods or droughts. It gives us clean air, water, and food. Biodiversity is nature's safety net. Pollinators like bees support 1 in 3 bites of food. Forests clean our air. Wetlands purify water. 1 in 6 bee species is regionally extinct, and 40% are at risk. Without diverse species, ecosystems collapse, crops fail, soils erode. Every species, even tiny microbes, plays a role. In California, native bees saved almond crops when honeybees struggled. Humans are the biggest threat. Deforestation destroys habitats. Pollution kills pollinators. Climate change shifts ecosystems. We're in the 6th mass extinction, losing species 1,000 times faster than natural rates. Invasive species like kudzu outcompete natives. But we can reverse this. In Australia, removing invasive cats saved native birds. We can protect biodiversity. Create a pollinator haven by planting wildflowers like milkweed. Build an insect hotel to shelter beneficial bugs. Participate in a local cleanup to remove litter from habitats. Support wildlife sanctuaries through donating and volunteering. Advocate for bans on harmful pesticides. These actions rebuild the web of life. Here's how to make a difference. First, plant a wildflower patch to attract bees and butterflies. Second, construct a simple insect hotel using wood and straw. Third, join a river or park cleanup to protect habitats. Fourth, donate time or money to local wildlife rescue. Fifth, push for city policies restricting things like neonicotinoid pesticides. These steps strengthen ecosystems, making you a biodiversity champion. Every species counts. Let's protect them. Subscribe to Planet Healers, share this video, and check out books like The Diversity of Life, or support us on Patreon to keep this series going. Next, Nature's Innovators. See you soon.